سکا، اپنی منزل سے مل نہ سکا، پیروں سے کچل ڈالا تم نے، ایک پل میں مسل ڈالا تم نے، روئیں گے بدن کے زخم میرے، جب روح کے زخم دکھاؤں گا، میں خدا کو بتاؤں گا، میں خدا کو بتاؤں گا.
The average age in Gaza is just 18. Make no mistake, this is a
The skies over Gaza are filled with projectiles of death. Attack helicopters, drones, artillery shells, tank shells, mortars, bombs. Israel has dropped 25,000 tons of explosives on Gaza, nearly the equivalent of the atomic bombs dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Israel's goal is not only to erase Hamas. This is a war against the Palestinian people. Israel's goal is to erase not only a people, but the entire idea of Palestine. Is this any form of legitimate self-defense?